Hi, I'm Ivan Garcia, and this is ResMAI, a web application that matches UCR undergraduate students with faculty research opportunities using Google's Gemini AI. The app is built in Python with a three-layer architecture, an interface layer in Streamlit, and an enginelet that handles all the logic and AI calls, and a storage layer backed by SQLite. I'll walk through each feature live. Let's get started. Okay. The first thing a student does is create a profile. I'll navigate to create profile in the sidebar. I'll fill in my major, say computer science. I'll choose between any of these to be my year. In this case, I will choose senior. And then I will type in, I'll add my research interests, such as learning and systems and mathematics. My skills in Python, Rust, C, and I will use a email. From here, the app will create a unique student ID. This is important as I'll need it for the matches. The engine validates all my fields, checked for a duplicate email, and saved the record to the database. As you can see, it's successful. And now I shall copy this. And if I press it again, it will say that an email already exists because an account has been created. So, feature two, we'll find the matches. Now to find the matches, I'll just place in my ID and press find matches. The engine is sending my profile along with all the research abstracts in the database to Gemini, which ranks the best fits and explains why each one matches best to me. Like here, here are my results. Gemini returned the top matches ranked by relevance. I can see the lab professor, department, and the keywords in each one. More importantly, it gives me a plain English explanation as to why this lab is good for me. If I want to understand research itself, I can click to simplify this abstract. Gemini breaks it down into three bullet points: the goal of the project, the skill I needed, and why it matters. This makes it easy for any student who wants to evaluate the lab without needing to know prior knowledge to the field. The third feature is generate outreach email. To generate an outreach email, I will click the email button. I will show this, it will say drafting your email, and Gemini writes a personalized email using my profile, my major, my year, and skills, and the specific research project. It generates a subject line and full email body addressed to the professor by name. I can edit it directly in the text box without sending. As I, as for example, uh, And then we can go to feature four, which is email address. Using that same student ID, I can load my history. So there, so there I can look at what my current email looks like. Every email I generated saved here with the subject, the abstract it was written for, and the timestamp. I can come back to later and copy any draft and send it. Feature five is FAQ. I can ask anything about resume or UCR undergraduate research in plain language. I'll ask, how does I will hit the ask button. And if I ask for something completely, as you can see here, we get the result. And if I ask for something completely off topic, like what's the weather today, it is out of scope, so therefore it does not have that information yet. The engine recognizes it's out of scope and returns a failback message instead of making something up, preventing hallucinations. To summarize, ResMAI covers student recognition, student registration, AI-powered research matching, abstract simplification, outreach email generation, email history, and an FAQ, all organized across a clean interface, engine, and storage layer with a full test suite of 29 tests. Thanks for watching. Bye.